Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to remove sound while typing in iPhone. To remove the typing sound in iPhone, follow these 5 simple steps. First things first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, and here, go ahead and find Keyboard Feedback. Next, toggle off the switch next to the keyboard feedback to disable the sound. And lastly, exit the Settings app and then close it by swiping up, and typing sound will be turned off. And that's it. You won't hear any sound while typing anymore. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.